Today I'm going to show my butterfly. First you have to put a gentle circle here and put the body here and put a sharp thing here and put a round thing here and color it with any color that you want. And you have to put it down wings here and color what color do you want on these wings. And the same wings what we do here, you have to do here and start with the middle and go here around and put a gentle lines and put it like this thing and put a blue color and put a red color, and the bottom wings is called a purple color. We have to do a sharp nails like that, and we have to do purple color and color it. So that is our video channel. Please subscribe to my video channel.